Hi, welcome back. I'm Hamza. As you can see from the outline on screen, today we're covering story format, bad versus good examples, acceptance criteria, edge cases, and definition of done. Let's start with the basics, very underrated basics. A user story is neither a task nor a feature label. Improved dashboard is not a story, it's a cry for help. Use the classic format, still undefeated. As a user, I want to do something so that I get value. Example, bad story. Fix onboarding. Example, good story. As a new investor, I want to upload my ID in one step so that I can complete onboarding faster. Now we know who, what, and why engineers don't need mind reading skills. Next, acceptance criteria. This is where clarity lives or dies. Use given, yish, and when, then another underrated legend. Given the user is on onboarding when they upload a valid ID, then the system accepts it and moves forward. Testable. Clear. No drama. Add edge cases too. Invalid file, timeout, duplicate upload, provider failure. Users are very talented at discovering scenarios you didn't think of. Finally, definition of done. Done is not dev finished. It means tested, accepted, documented, and ready to ship. If QA is surprised, it's not done. Good stories speed up sprints, bad stories create long meetings. Subscribe to my channel for practical product learning. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. My